Imagine flying through a forest at 40 miles per hour. You aren't just looking forward. You're looking up at the canopy, down at the moss-covered roots, and behind you at the trail you just blazed. All in a single flight. For years, FPV pilots had to choose. Do you point the camera forward for the flight, or do you risk a 360-degree camera mount that ruins your aerodynamics? On March 26, 2026, DJI ended that debate forever. This is the DJI Avata 360, and it isn't just a drone. It is a flying eye that captures everything everywhere all at once. If you think you've seen what FPV can do, you are about to realize we've only been looking through a keyhole. The industry is currently in a state of shock. Why? Because the Avata 360 doesn't just add a new lens. It introduces a 1-inch equivalent dual-sensor system capable of 8K at 60 frames per second. But there is a secret hidden in the software that DJI didn't spend much time on during the keynote. A feature that allows this drone to do something no other consumer aircraft can. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this device is making the anti-gravity A1 look like a relic from the past, and why your editing workflow is about to change forever. Let's talk about the hardware first, because this is where the magic begins. At first glance, it looks like a beefed-up Avata 2. It's got that classic CineWhoop shape, the protected props, and that rugged build. But look closer at the camera housing. It's a mechanical marvel. In single-lens mode, it acts like a traditional FPV drone, giving you that crystal-clear 4K forward-facing view. But with one tap in your Goggles N3 or Goggles 3, the camera module rotates. One lens points skyward, the other points toward the Earth. Suddenly, you aren't flying a camera, you're flying a sphere of vision. The implications for solo creators are staggering. Think about the follow-me shots. With the new O4 Plus transmission system reaching up to 20 kilometers, you can send this drone out, fly past a landmark once, and in post-production, you can look back at yourself. You can pan, tilt, and zoom within the 8K sphere. One flight produces 10 different camera angles. You are the pilot, the director, and the cinematographer all at the same time. The missed shot is officially a thing of the past. If the drone was there, the shot was captured. But let's address the elephant in the room. The weight. At 455 grams, this is a heavier beast than the Avata 2. People were worried that the extra weight of the dual 1-inch sensors would make it sluggish. But DJI's engineers did something brilliant with the 4-blade propeller design. They've managed to increase the sport mode speed to 18 meters per second, while actually making the acoustic profile quieter. It doesn't scream like a swarm of bees. It hums like a high-end electric car. This makes it the ultimate tool for indoor one-take real estate videos where you need to be stealthy and stable. Now, let's talk about the invisible drone effect. This is the feature that is going to make your jaw drop. Because of the way the two 180-degree fisheye lenses are positioned, the Avata 360 uses real-time AI stitching to completely erase the drone's body from the footage. When you watch the playback, it looks like a floating camera is ghosting through the air. No propellers in the frame. No landing gear. Just pure, unobstructed 360-degree immersion. When you pair this with the head tracking in the goggles, you aren't just watching a video. You are teleporting. But power requires protection. The Avata 360